Today I'm going to be trying the Nashville's style hot chicken flavored Crinkle Kettle potato chips by Members Mark. They're a limited edition offer, and this is what they look like. I hope they're not that spicy because spiciness is not really for me, but I'm going to try. Okay, if I have to rate this, it's got good flavor. For someone who would really like this, I'm sure someone would rate it a 10 out of 10. For me, I'd rate this a 5 out of 10. It's way too spicy for me. I don't know. It's just too spicy. It's way too spicy down here. No. It's not bad for a chip, you know. But yeah, comment down below what your favorite chips are. Maybe I'll get them and try them. And also feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on post notifications so you know when to get notified, and see you in the next video.